Fireworks have fire on them.
They do?
Yeah, they have fire. They're called fireworks, but they just have fire in them. Because fireworks burn all the trees down. The fireworks will burn all the trees down because fireworks have fire in them. Fireworks they play at the baseball game at Dodger Stadium. We should go back to the butterflies a bit. I like that. One landed on my arm, one landed on my back. I felt it. But I can't eat snacks in the butterflies a bit because butterflies will eat my snack. I don't want them to. That'll be silly. But maybe after the butterflies we could go to the park. If it's not too hot there. But today's really hot. But if I wear long sleeves, that would be way too hot in long sleeves. Because it's summer now. It's summer. Summer now. Right now it's summer. Right now. Maybe if you live next door, I could say, Mila!
Mila la. And then what would you say? What's my name?
Laurie.
And then I would wave. Can you see me? I'm way over there.
Yeah, you're way over there.
Behind that big tree. You see me?
But I don't know. It's working really hard.
What is?
The house.
Those guys? They're building like crazy, right?
Building like crazy. That's a big house, actually.
2 houses.
2 houses. Not to that, there's 6 houses or 10. Wow. That'll be a lot.
That sure would.
Last night, I found 5 blips. Actually, 10 blips.
You did? Where?
Right outside my window.
10?
But that was a very big moon. A very big moon.
I missed it. Oh. There'll be another one.
You can share it. But it was really big. Really big.
Really?
I saw it.
Wow.
Did you?
I missed it. Sometimes. Sometimes I'm in the right spot and I see it. And other times, I don't even know it's there because I don't look up.
At your house, do you have a big bed?
Yes.
I should come to your house. I've been to your house.
You have been. Do you remember?
That was a very long time.
That is true.
Is Mommy's car or your car?
I don't know. Do you remember?
Or maybe Dad's car?
No, not Dad's car.
Mm-mm-mm.
Mm-mm-mm.